are feeling good today as you watch this. Today is Wednesday, and we are 2 days before Christmas. Let me actually show you. Okay. And yeah, just spend the day with us. I think we'll be doing something exciting today. I don't know. One thing about me, guys, with me and vlogging is y'all are going to see this pinifa. Okay, because I literally wear it around the house. And let's enjoy the day and let's see what the day holds. Follow me on Instagram. You would have seen my setup here. I did an entire video where I also share tips on how you can create your own Christmas table with using things that you have around the house. But obviously you guys are seeing this video days and weeks after Christmas, so this doesn't count anymore, but you can definitely do your own setup for your dinner table on a regular day at home, and just, yeah, make every meal a special meal. Let's go outside. Hubby's cutting the grass. Taking you to our backyard. Guys, I can't wait to do something with this area. And also the area that I just showed you now. One day. We hang out washing. And here I actually want to create like a drying area here with 2 couches or 2 sitting spaces. Yeah, we shall see. Dry muesli that looks like what? Like oats or like mash. No. My muesli must not be thick. It must be just a good consistency. Oh, and careful, I can't do it. Just want a couple of grapes. Actually just be using all of this, but I might want it for a salad later. doing some chewy surprises for myself. Off to grab some lunch and run some errands. I've got a package that I need delivered, and what else? We're going to visit a couple of stores, right? I definitely need to go to Post though. 𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙤 Cafe. I'm going to show you shortly how the place looks. The entertainer app that I've spoken about on my Instagram. Let me show you now. This app here, the 𝙤𝙤 Cafe, is one of the restaurants that are on that app. So when we come here, we'll get a nice discounted bill, so it's very convenient for date night, lunch dates or whatever, so that you're always cognizant of your bill and your wallet. So yeah, just check out this thing. showed you when we were at the 𝙤𝙤 Cafe. Today is Sunday after Christmas. Hubby is taking me to Westwood Mall to go and purchase a box that will keep my tools, because currently my tools are scattered all over the house due to the fact that I haven't gotten the financial means to actually go and purchase wood, to purchase wood and build my own toolbox. So we've opted that whilst I gather the funds to buy wood and build my own, I should actually just buy a storage container and just keep my tools in there. Topline is also a very good and affordable brand to buy power tools from, to buy accessories from, like their set. That's the measuring tape that I have. Here's their heat gun, their glue gun. It's 290 rand. Their wood chest set, wood chisel set, that's 300 rand. Their stuff is good quality, so they're also a good brand to purchase their items. Yay! I've just bought my power tool storage container. I'm so excited! I wanna pop in Mr. Price. I'm at Westwood Mall, by the way, if I hadn't mentioned. I'm at Westwood Mall. I'm just gonna pop in at Mr. Price and just scroll through their stuff and then head to Woolworths. Am I the only one who goes to the price to go section first? Durban weather. We are in need. We just came here for junk. We just came here for junk. We just got home. Hubby and I are now just gonna relax. And I just want to end off this vlog right here. So I hope you had a great day, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit that red subscribe button. See you next time. Peace.